Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send voice messages on Discord PC. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Discord in your PC. So here you can see that there is no option to send voice message. So how you can send it? You simply need to click on the plus icon and here you can see upload file. You simply need to double click on that and you can select file or audio file from your PC. So currently I have do not, so let me select some music file. So okay, so here you can see that I uploaded this music file and you simply need to send that. So this is the process by which you can send voice messages on Discord PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.